Hello, I'm Matthew Volkmar, the Territory Manager for Brant in Minnesota and Wisconsin. And today we're at Ziegler Ag in Mankato, Minnesota, looking at a 1522 Brant grain cart. And we're focusing on CAMSO tracks. These CAMSO tracks can be found on Brant XR grain carts, as well as DXR Brant models, 1122, 1100 bushel carts, and 1522, 1500 bushel carts. Now, the biggest things with the CAMSO tracks are, when you are going to maintain them, is to make sure that you're greasing in the proper locations. This is every 50 hours, and those grease points are up here, 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 underneath here, right here, on this side and on the opposing side, here and here. That's going to be your biggest thing for maintaining these. The nice thing about the CAMSO tracks is they've got a sealed oil bath on the bogey wheels here, so you don't have to worry about the maintenance on those. So one of the important things to remember with a track is that it's not a tire. And so before you go down the road, you either need to go through the field to get some dirt in there, or put like kitty litter or floor dry in there for lubing the track up. And now when you're on the road, the important thing is not to exceed 20 miles per hour. Otherwise the track is going to get too hot. When you first start on the road, after about 300 feet is when you're going to track alignment. And that's done basically just a visual check to make sure that your track is centered on either side. And there's a threaded bar on the inside that's going to be where you make the adjustment if need be. Thank you for watching this video about the CAMSO tracks on this 1522. For more information, or if you have any questions about grain carts, tracks, or anything Brant related, please reach out to your local Ziegler Ag dealership. Have a great day.